Hey there, welcome back to Genie. Today, I'm excited to show you how to get the Meta AI WhatsApp number, allowing you to engage with AI-powered assistants right from your WhatsApp chat. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your device and navigate to the chat screen. This is where you'll initiate the process of adding. Next, tap on the chat icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to initiate a new chat. You'll see a list of your contacts, but we're going to add a new contact for Meta AI. Now, you'll need to add Meta AI as a new contact. To do this, you'll need the Meta AI WhatsApp number. Add 1313 555 0002. This is Meta AI WhatsApp phone number. Once you've entered the Meta AI WhatsApp number, tap on the Save button to add Meta AI as a contact on your WhatsApp. You can choose to save it under any name you prefer, such as Meta AI or AI Assistant. Now that you've added Meta AI as a contact, you can start chatting with AI right away. Simply open the chat with Meta AI and send your message to initiate the conversation. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained the Meta AI WhatsApp number and added it as a contact on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to get the Meta AI WhatsApp number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy chatting with Meta AI.